Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question. Before I proceed, Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to take this opportunity to wish our senior citizens a happy International Day for older persons. Mr. Speaker, sir, government is developing approximately 5.5 hectares of land into a new township in Nabouwalu, in Boa. The approved subdivision scheme includes 23 commercial lots, 4 civic lots. This includes a market as well as bus stand, 1 government lot for government offices, 4 industrial lots, as well as recreational space. Phase 1 of the project is currently underway, focuses on 7 commercial lots along Nabouwalu Highway, and $1.3 million is budgeted in this financial year, and that is to cater for the civil works that are will currently be undertaken. The Speaker, sir, the challenges for the project, which the Ministry is actively working to address. This includes securing a lease for the diversion of Wunivesi Creek, which necessitates close collaboration with the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources and the Tauke Trust Board. To this end, the Ministry has initiated preliminary survey works for Wunivesi Creek to establish the alignment and extent of the proposed diversion, and is working closely with the Ministry of Lands and Waterways Department to have the creek area resurveyed. So what happens, Mr. Speaker, sir, when there is a heavy downpour in Nabouwalu, because of that creek that runs onto the new developed site, the water overflows into the area and floods the whole area that's about to be developed. The Ministry of Local Government is also currently managing the relocation of 3 families from the township site, ensuring that land preparation, compensation, and essential services are provided in support of their smooth transition to an alternative site that has been identified through the system of the Tauke Land Trust Board, the Boa Provincial Office, and also thankful to the Tui Boa for his support. Speaker, sir, the Ministry has expended a total of just over $3.2 million to date on the Nabouwalu Township project. These funds have been directed towards consultancy services, survey and design works, environmental impact assessment, or EIA, as well as EIA bond, procurement of essential works, civil works materials, and preliminary site preparation. The overall project cost amounts to close to $8.4 million, and the project is expected to be completed in the 2027 and 2028 financial year. The Nabouwalu Passenger Terminals, Nabouwalu Passenger Services Terminal, Mr. Speaker, sir, alongside the new township, the Ministry has developed a passenger service terminal to cater for seafarers, as well as travelers, those who travel through Nabouwalu. This includes seating for 150 passengers, modern restrooms, offices for bus security, as well as MSF, ticketing booths, kiosks, and a coffee shop, and a police post for safety, as well as disability-friendly features and parking space. The Speaker said, despite some delays that we have encountered, I'm pleased to report that in September 2025, the construction for the Nabouwalu Passenger Services Terminal has been successfully completed. The tentative commissioning of this terminal will be therefore before the end of this year, as the contractor is currently securing the completion and compliance certificate from the Savu Town Council, National Fire Authority, OHS, Occupational Health and Safety, as well as Fiji Roads Authority. Furthermore, Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry has allocated a sum of $200,000 for this financial year to support the operationalization of this important facility. The Speaker, sir, in line with the vision of empowering the people of Nabouwalu as well as people of Boa and the wider province of Boa, the expression of interest for the kiosks at the terminal will give first preference for local operators. This ensures that economic benefits of the facility directly support surrounding communities while remaining open to wider participation if required. for the Keiyasi town development. Keiyasi town development, Speaker, covers 9.3 hectares of Itauke land into a modern town center, complete with supporting infrastructure. Estimated cost of civil works for this project stands at $10.8 million. The new township will include 27 commercial lots, 3 open spaces, 1 civic center or civic lot, 1 market, 1 bus, as well as carrier stand, 2 industrial sites, 1 service station, 1 lot for the National Fire Authority. Civil works began in February 2024 and expected to finish or to complete by end of 2026. $2.2 million has been spent to date, and a further $1.6 million is budgeted for this financial year. Because of delays, the works have been significantly attributed to bad weather as well as supply of materials. For the Seaqaqa new town development, Seaqaqa town development in the province of Nabouwalu is progressing steadily as part of the government's broader effort to strengthen secondary township across Vanoliu. The town boundary for Seaqaqa has been officially gazetted, with the transition of municipal functions now underway. This development is designed to bring essential urban services closer to rural populations, stimulate economic activity, enhance public infrastructure in the Northern Division. And one of the key components of the development of this is the construction of a new market and bus stand, which will serve as the core facilities of the town. The market will provide safe and organized trading spaces for local vendors, while the bus stand will improve public transport access and connectivity for residents and surrounding communities. Civil works for these facilities have already commenced, making important milestones in the establishment of the town center. And the work on the market and the bus stand site is well underway, with site excavation, clearing, leveling, and building profiling already completed, as well as foundation work currently in progress. For 2025-2026 financial year, the ministry has been allocated $1.7 million to continue civil works, drainage, and project management. The Seaqaqa town development project expected to be completed by the end of April 2026. Conclusion, Mr. Speaker, sir, these projects are not just about empowering and landowners as well as local community, also create new opportunities for businesses, jobs, and better services where people live. By investing in Nabouwalu, as well as Keiyasi and Seaqaqa, government is laying the foundation for vibrant and sustainable towns that will benefit our people for generations to come. And thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the opportunity to respond to the question. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.